Welcome to the fifth video in the Ranorex Studio Recorder series. In the previous videos in this series, you learned that Ranorex Studio automatically identifies UI elements during recording, but you can also track and identify UI elements manually. To demonstrate manual tracking, we'll use an empty recording module. Click the Add Recording Module button. Enter a name for the new recording and click Create. For this example, we'll use the Ranorex Demo app as our application under Test. If you are following along with the videos in this series, the Demo app should be closed. Let's run the Start AUT module to open it because tracking is possible only for processes that are running. Before we start tracking, notice that the whitelist settings for this test suite ensure that Ranorex Studio will only interact with the demo app. This will make tracking easier and more efficient. Press the Track button to activate tracking. Ranorex Studio minimizes to the taskbar and the Ranorex Demo app appears. The red frame indicates that tracking is active. Click the Introduction tab. Tracking stops automatically after one item is selected. Notice the new repository item for the tracked UI element. The name of the item comes from its properties. The path to the item is generated automatically. Because the syntax of the path is based on the XPath standard plus Ranorex specific extensions, it's called the Ranorex path. If you need to temporarily pause tracking so that you can make a UI element visible, press and hold the F12 key. Release the F12 key to resume. If you want to identify several UI elements without having to click on each one, you can use instant tracking. Simply mouse over each item and press Ctrl-Win. After creating a repository item for a UI element, you can add it to a recording module. Drag the new repository item to the action editor and choose the action to perform on it. You can also add actions that aren't connected to a repository item. Let's add a message to appear in the test run report. Click Add New Action and then choose Log Message. Enter the text of the message in the message column. Now run the new module and Ranorex Studio executes the actions that you added manually as shown in the test run report. This concludes the Ranorex Studio Recorder series. To learn more about test automation with Ranorex Studio, visit the Resources section of the Ranorex website.